Docxpresso now offers you the possibility to import or export data to cloud spreadsheets that are hosted in Google Drive or Microsoft Office. The process is pretty simple. First, you have to set up your credentials in Docxpresso for access to your Google Drive account or Microsoft account. Once this is done, you may connect your Docxpresso instance to any of the spreadsheets that are stored in those accounts. For example, here we have connected this spreadsheet that has this share link, so we can read and write from it directly from Docxpresso. For this example, this spreadsheet just looked like this. It's a very simple one, but in the first row we have the variable names that in this case are client, name, address, etc. And if we now go to a Docxpresso document and hit preview, we'll see that we have here the possibility to access cloud spreadsheets. In this case, we're going to use this one, this client list. We can fetch data and we may choose any of the rows. For example, this one. The system recognizes the variables that are named in the same way within the spreadsheet and the Docxpresso template and automatically invites you to replace that data by the spreadsheet data, and the non-coincident fields are also offered, but you have by hand to select them and tell to which field they are going to be mapped. If I now hit the button load selected data, as you can see, the data is loaded into the template. But what we have to do if we want to go the other way around, so we want that whatever information is written in this template goes to a spreadsheet that is hosted in Google Drive. Well, in that case, for example, we'll go to edit and we'll go here to cloud spreadsheets. We will activate the writing procedure and the event on which this data is going to be sent to that spreadsheet, and we have to choose in the spreadsheet. For example, in this case, client list again, and we just fetch fields. Okay, and we see that we are given the option to map the Docxpresso variables that we have in our template to the spreadsheet field. In this case, the system has automatically recognized that there are some variables that are named the same way in both the spreadsheet and the Docxpresso template, and the map is given automatically. But for example, in the case of phone, like in the template, there's no phone variable, it says that it's empty. But we could, in principle, force it to be any of these variables here. Okay, if we just save changes, what will happen? Every time anyone fills this template, the data that has been mapped will be automatically saved in the Google Cloud spreadsheet. And this completes this short introduction on how to use cloud spreadsheets within Docxpresso. Thanks for your attention.